Now, this is how you put the rest of your cards down. This is just to get it fly. To fly, hold it in your non-dominant hand, non-writing hand, and then make scissors with the hand that you write with. Then cut the top off like this fully. Make sure it's kind of hard to pull out. If you want it to fly pretty far, then make sure there's a little gap here and make sure it's still pretty hard. Pull out, then twist your elbow all the way like this, and then don't even put your foot up or anything. Go like this, and then when it's like this, take your fingers apart and it'll fly. Look, this is fast. See, it flies. That flew pretty far. Now we're gonna get into the target. Okay, so we're gonna do that. If we point at the bullseye, we should get pretty close to the bullseye. Oh, bullseye. Wow. It's harder than you think. After you get the hang of it, it's way more. Okay, I'll be right back and gather up all of those cards. And boom! And we're back. We have all the cards gathered up. We have the whole deck. Okay, all of it's empty, like you see. Okay, now. If you want to really get the card to go, what you want to do, put your leg up, put it down, then kick your other foot up. So faster. As you see, I'm getting them in. And also, if you point, you're going to be a little less accurate, but still might get a little close. You're going to get closer, and you just need the flick of the wrist. Perfect timing. And look, it'll just go. It'll just fly. It might not stick every time. It might bounce off a couple times. And when you get the right flick of the wrist, when you get used to putting your leg up and shooting, you'll be like a ninja. And boom, I'll be right back. We're going to show you how to do this. Right now. Okay, put your hand in this position. So have your pinky, your ring finger, and your middle finger on one side, your thumb on one side, and then your pointer finger on the bottom. Like shown on the video. And then get your other hand and then put your pointer fingernail on one side and your thumb on the other side. And then just push it and it should shoot a card. This may take a little bit of practice, as seen on the video. And continue as shown.